Kids Zone with Trishy. Hello, friends. Today we're going to read The Very Hungry Caterpillar's First Spring. There's so much to do on a bright spring day when warm weather melts winter snow away. Outside, grass grows and trees sprout new leaves. Watch clouds change shape as they float in the breeze. Quick, find an umbrella to help keep dry when rain drizzles down from gray clouds in the sky. Feel the cool, wet raindrops fall to the ground, filling puddles for splashing. But wait, what's that sound? Quack, go some ducklings following their mother. Bees buzz and toads croak, making music with each other. When the rain passes, the fresh air smells sweet. Stop to sniff flowers blooming, a very special treat. Now it's on to the garden where vegetables grow. Heads of cabbage, radishes, and carrots below. Big leafy lettuce and green peas to pack. Perfect for sharing an afternoon snack. Crunch! The sun in the sky makes a rainbow shine bright. Spring is a season that's full of delight. The end. Don't forget to follow my channel for more stories just like this and like.